friends, welcome back to the Yusuf Talks Tech Show. So today I am going to be making a project on remix drone. So actually there are two boys, Sam and John. So Sam was just flying his drone when John crashed his drone into his. So I have to create an app that can identify that how to fly a drone for John. So let's start by making. First we will click on sprites, then we will make the sprite. No, first we will set the background, to, we want stars. We will take stars. Now the background is set, then we will go on sprites and then we will make a new sprite. We will not use this one. We will take this one, make a new sprite called John. Make a new sprite called John with costume this, and then now we will set the position and we will rename it Sam. Now the position is set for him, and then we will now create for John. We will take sprites, make a new sprite with costume. So we will name this sprite as rename the sprite, and now we will type here John. Create, and with the costume we will set the position. Now the position is set. We will go on sprites. Then we will make the drones. Make a new sprite called John drone. John drone with costume. We will take the costume green, and then we will again go to sprites, make new sprite. Then we will rename the sprite, and then we will again type here John drone create, and we will again change the costume to red. Now we will set the position of these sprites. One should be here and one should be here. Then we will go to locations, behaviors, loops, variables, math, logic. Now we don't have to do anything. We just have to set the size. Set size. Yes, it would be here. Yes. Set size. We will drag 2 times. Set size. Then we will take here red. Then take here green. Now it's okay. Now we will go to actions. Behaviors. Then we will take sprite begins. We will take red because the red drone is of computer. It is not us, so it is not controllable. We will just add the behavior that it will keep wandering, and then we will go to events. Then we will take when up key pressed, actions. Then we will take move green drone, up key pressed, north. Then we will again go to event. So we will drag this block 3 times more. When up key pressed, Now we will do here down, left and right. Now we will place it one behind the other, and now we will start with our coding block. But then we will take one down key pressed, actions. Then we will take move. We will take it green drone, south, south. And then we will take when left key pressed. The left key. The left is means this side. So we will first keep it right and then we will do this. Then we will take actions. Move right, east, east, and then we will change the sprite. And then we will take one left key pressed actions. Move green, north, southeast, west. Now we will take it. And also we have to do one thing, that when John's drone touches this drone, then it should start. Then the game should display a message that "Oops, you lost." So first we will take events. Then we will take when this touches this. We will drag it here. Then we will take when green touches red. Behaviors, locations, function we will write text, show title screen, and then now we will write here oops. Then we will type here you lost. Now let's check if it is correct. When this the green drone is moving with our hands. Yes, the game is also displaying a message that reset. So we can do it like this, and then we will name the project. Save. And then